안녕하세요 친구들, Jham입니다. 내 채널 다시 오신 것을 환영합니다. Last time I did an IU Blooming inspired nail art. And when I was watching the music video to find inspiration for that, I noticed IU's nail art. Then I asked you guys on Instagram if you'll be interested in watching a tutorial for that kind of nail art, and all of you guys voted yes. So before doing any nail art, I'm applying a peel-off base coat. Then after letting one layer to dry, I'm applying another. Let me guys share you a secret. Recently, I've been applying a white nail polish over my peel-off base coat. Why? So that if I'm using dark shades of polish, it won't stain my natural nails. And I only apply one coat of white nail polish. After letting that white nail polish to dry, I'm applying the shades of nail polish that matches IU's nails. As for IU's left-hand nails, we have purple for thumb and pinky nail, off-white for index and ring nail, and a dark blue-looking shade for the middle nail. After applying 2 coats of each polish, let them dry completely. Then I also applied a thick coat of glossy top coat. After letting the top coat to dry, I am applying some shapes like this with an orange nail polish with a dotting tool. Now I'm finishing the design by applying the brown details. After that, I'm applying top coat. Then I noticed that IU's dark shaded nails have a matte finish. Therefore, I'm applying a matte top coat. And there you guys have it. Guess what? I also painted my right hand nails matching IU's nails. And here are my left and right hand nails. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome chingus, and subscribe. Make sure you're following me on Instagram to get the latest updates. 그게 오늘이야 여러분. 비디오 봐주셔서 감사합니다. 다음 비디오에서 만나요. 안녕!